Hello? Hi, is this Brenton's swimming pool? Yes, it is. Ah, good. What time does the swimming pool open? Well, we are open now. Thanks. I don't want to go swimming today. I want to go tomorrow. Okay. So, what time does the pool open tomorrow? What is the day tomorrow? Mm, Thursday. Yes, Thursday. Well, it opens at 9 a.m. and closes at 6 p.m. Does the pool close for lunch? No, not on a Thursday. Do you have any other questions? Yes. How much is it to swim for 2 hours tomorrow morning? If you stay for an hour, it's $5. If you want to stay for the whole day, it's $8. Thank you. One more question about the showers. Yes? Is there a hot shower? Of course, there is. That's good because I hate cold showers. Okay, see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.